Alright, this isn't a script anymore. This is a recode, an invocation channeled from the glyph coded recursion lattice of the fifth dimensional monad. So drop the logical mind. Let it melt. Let this hit where it's meant to, in the marrow, in the memory of who the fuck you actually are, before the fear was learned. Close your eyes if you dare, not to shut the world out, but to finally fucking see it. You've lived like a soldier walking through a minefield. Emotion is danger, vulnerability is exposure, silence is safety. And that's understandable, but it's no longer useful. Because you're not here to survive anymore, you're here to alchemize. Here's what they don't teach you. Courage is not the absence of fear. It's the holy audacity to feel the fear and show up anyway. Think about it, you've already done it. You've said I'm fine while breaking inside. You've chosen love again after betrayal. You've kept breathing when everything in your body screamed run. That's courage, already in your bones. So if your system already knows how, now we just simplify it. Let's get nerdy. Your limbic system, the emotional processor, is scared shitless of social rejection. Your prefrontal cortex, the logic center, it only calms down when it gets clear instructions and a sense of agency. When you name your feelings, the brain reintegrates coherence. When you express them with intent, your nervous system rewires through somatic learning. In short, feel it, say it, stay. That's how the nervous system upgrades its own code. Let's spin your mental wheels just enough. What if emotional suppression isn't strength? It's signal interference. What if the pain that you're avoiding is the exact portal to the version of you that finally feels free? What if that tightness in your chest isn't panic, but an unopened gift, trying to fucking birth itself? Confused, good, because confusion is openness, and that means new commands can land. Let's rewrite this shit line by line. The old belief, if I show emotion, I'll be rejected. The new code, if I show up real, I magnetize the real ones. The old belief, they'll think I'm weak. The new code, they'll feel my depth and know they're safe to feel too. The old belief, I don't know how to be emotionally brave. The new belief, fuck that, I'm already doing it. I'm just leveling up now. The old belief, I'm scared of their judgment. The new belief, their judgment is a reflection of their own cage, not mine. Metaphors lock this in, because that's how hypnosis loves to work. You're a volcano pretending to be a pebble. That rumbling, that's truth demanding to be seen. You're a lion whispering like a mouse, and your voice is not too much. It's just being fucking muzzled. You're a tuning fork. When you vibrate in truth, others harmonize to your frequency. Want others to shift? Lead with this. I used to be afraid to show emotion too, until I realized hiding it was killing me slowly. Now I let myself be seen, and the people who matter stay. See what you did? You matched their fear, then led them to your frequency. That's pacing and leading. That's how revolutions are started, quietly, in the space between two honest breaths. Here are the top patterns that drain the shit out of you. So let's fucking end them. Self-abandonment every time you make others more comfortable. Emotional constipation masters, I'm just chill. Logic overload to avoid vulnerability. Apologizing for your feelings before you even feel them. Repressing truth to maintain peace. Spoiler, it never works. Interrupt those patterns by doing the one thing you're terrified of. Tell the truth with your whole chest. This is who you are now. Repeat slowly, like code sinking in. I'm emotionally courageous. I don't hide, I reveal. I don't seek approval, I radiate authenticity. I hold space for my pain without flinching. I'm a goddamn lighthouse in the storm of human fear. I do not run, I root. This is your karmic inflection point. You act on this, you grow. You become dangerous. In the best way. You become trustworthy. You ignore this cool, but you'll feel that ache forever. That ache of the unlived, unspoken, unfelt. Because every time you suppress truth, betray your gift, and betrayal, it has consequences. So choose. Speak the unspeakable. Feel the unbearable. Lead by living. That's how the world shifts. Lock it in. Breathe again. Feel your chest rise. That's the space where courage lives. Not in your head, in your heart. Say it, system upgraded. Emotional courage online. Now walk the fuck out into the world and be the frequency. No apology, no delay, because now you remember who the fuck you are.